Hey guys, my name's Caleb, and in this video, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. This is for complete beginners, people who have absolutely no exposure to cryptocurrency. Maybe you don't know what some of these coins are, what they do, and I get it. From the outside, it sounds really overwhelming, and it sounds dangerous that you could lose some of your investment by not knowing what to invest in, or possibly how to lose your keys, how to safely store your things. Seems like you can just get your crypto robbed out there by hackers. Believe me, I get it. So this video is completely for beginners on how to earn passive income, gaining some exposure to crypto without really investing in crypto and being exposed to the volatility of the market. So I'm going to be recommending Voyager in this video, and I'm going to be showing you the app here in a second. Before I do, I just want to say I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you invest even $1 in anything. But this is for complete beginners who don't really know where to go. This is something that I highly recommend from my personal experience. I just set up my grandpa on this yesterday, and it was so easy for him to do. And this is why I know that this app is going to bring on a lot of people. So the app looks like this. Make sure you get it on the Google Play or the Apple Store, Voyager. And it's really easy to set up your account. It takes like maybe 5 minutes to set up the account completely. You got to scan your ID, maybe a driver's license, passport or something. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you'd like some more access, like some of the things we're going to do in this video, it is recommended. It really takes like a couple seconds. But anyway, this is the app. It's so great to look at aesthetically. It's so easy. I can see all of the coins here that they currently have. Bitcoin, and look at all these amazing altcoins. Robinhood only has I think 7 in total, and even Coinbase doesn't have this much, but you have exposure, or at least access to all these different altcoins if you'd like to, and it's actually extremely easy to invest. And I'll show you that in just a second. Before I do, let me show you really quick how you can earn passive income. And if you scroll all the way over to the right here, on any of these that you deposit, so if I buy any of these, like I'm about to show you, you can see on this column here, I can earn 5.5 interest on the Bitcoin that I have, 4% on any Ethereum I have in this wallet, 4% Polkadot, and most importantly, I'm going to show you 8.5% on USDC. So again, this is for complete beginners. So if you don't know what USDC is, basically it is a stable coin that is always and will forever be connected and pegged to the US dollar. So this is what I would highly recommend if you're completely new. You don't know if you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum. You don't even think you want to invest in any of it. Maybe you're completely against crypto in general. You think it's all going to zero. That's okay, because you can earn 8.5% on your US dollar right now just by depositing into here. Now, before you say, oh, I don't want to do any of that, just ask yourself really quick, how much is your bank paying you in interest on what you currently have in your savings or checkings account, whatever. So I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to invest even $100 and start compounding your money by earning 8.5 interest per year and earning passive income. I am very bullish on this. I use this to create some more passive wealth for myself. It feels great to just wake up and see my account grow every day. So anyway, let me show you just how easy it is. So let's say I want to buy $100 in US dollar coin. I'm going to swipe over just like that. Shazam. I'm going to tap that. Buy USDC. I'm going to tap $100 and then Shazam. Actually, Shazam might be copyrighted, so I'm not going to say Shazam. But oh, I got to deposit US dollar. So I have to put like ACH USD. That's what all the central banks use. Just your regular US dollar that you used to talking about. I'm going to deposit it from my bank account. My bank account's already connected. It takes literally like 30 seconds to connect it. But anyway, I'm going to do $100 and let's go with WAP. I'm going to WAP it. Boom. Confirm. And just like that, I'm good to go. So now I have $100 in there, and I'm going to convert that $100 into $100 of USDC. That's US dollar coin. And just like this, ready? WAP. And our order amount. No. Let's see. Just kidding. Ready? Boom. There we go. Now it's done. I think it took a second to load my deposit. But anyway, just like that, if I click down here on my little briefcase. It shows my full amount. I have I think it's 200. Yeah, 200 in USDC, got about 100 in Ethereum, and 27 I got from a sign up bonus, which, by the way, if you guys are going to do this, make sure you do it and take advantage of the sign up bonus. Here is my link right here, or my coupon code. If you enter this when you download the app, 7DBFE2, that is going to give you $25 free Bitcoin right whenever you join the app and download and put $100 in. And whenever you share this with like your grandma, grandpa, whoever else, they can earn that too. You don't have to absolutely just download it regularly, put $100 if you want. You just won't get that extra little bonus anytime you or somebody else signs up. But anyway, that's it. It's as easy as that. I'm very excited for this company, Voyager. It's a public company. They have had a lot of great reviews lately. I know it says right here 9.5% interest on your USDC, but that's a 1% boost if you hold their coins. I personally don't do that just because I find that a little risky, but 8.5 on your US dollar is insane to me. That's something you can compound, earn passive income as you sleep. And anytime you have a chance to earn passive income as you sleep on any of your savings, in my opinion, that is a green light go. So make sure you guys like this video. If you enjoyed the content, give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys would like to see else. I know I've had a lot of beginners subscribe recently. If you're a beginner, go ahead and subscribe. I will give you the best rundown I can. I'd love to do research and stay up to date on all the news in crypto and investing in general. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next video.